Have you ever wondered exactly what your computer's brain, which is the CPU, is really doing? How fast it runs, or whether it gets too hot? Today, I'll guide you through exactly how to check your CPU's performance. Let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Hardware Information official website. Type www.hwinfo.com. Click on the big download button. You'll see options to choose from: a 32-bit architecture or a 64-bit architecture. Choose what suits your PC. From there, choose the US version, which is the easiest for most people. Once the file is downloaded, run the installer. The installation wizard will open. Just click Next a few times. You can leave all the settings on their default. Make sure the box that says Run HwINFO is checked, and then click Finish. When the app starts the first time, you should take note of two tabs. The first one being the system summary. This is a great snapshot of your PC's hardware, like your CPU model, how much RAM you have, and your graphics card. You can explore this later. The second more important window is the sensor window. This is where all the magic happens. When this window opens, you might see pop-up. I recommend clicking continue to get the full experience. Now you are looking at the main sensor screen. It might look a bit overwhelming with all these rows and numbers, but don't worry. I'm going to break it down for you. Look for the section titled CPU number 0. This is the section dedicated to your main processor. Inside this section, we have a few key categories. The clocks is your CPU speed. This tells you how fast each part of your CPU is running in gigahertz. You should look for the cores from number 0 or more. These show the speed of each individual core. Modern CPUs can speed up one core while leaving others idle. You'll see these numbers jump up and down. With this information, you can see if Turbo Boost, which is a feature that makes your CPU run faster, is actually working. If you are just on a desktop, speeds might be low to save power. You can choose to open a program like a game and watch these numbers shoot up. At the temperature section, it shows how hot your CPU is getting, which is very critical. At the core temperatures, each core has its own temperature sensor, and at the CPU package, this is the overall temperature of the entire CPU chip. This information provides you with early warning signs. If your CPU is constantly above 80 to 85 degrees Celsius under load, it might be overheating. If it hits 95 degrees Celsius and above, it will start to protect itself by slowing down. This is called thermal throttling. We will check for that next. At the utilization section, it shows how much your CPU's total power is being used, which will be shown in a percentage. You should look out for the core usage, which will show how busy each core is. 0% means idle, 100% means it's working at its maximum capacity. This will enable you to identify what's causing slowdowns. And if one core is at 100% while others are low, a single program might be maxing out. Now the power section, it displays how much electricity power your CPU is consuming in watts. You should look out for the package power, which is the total power draw of the CPU. This is the most important one because more power usually means more performance, but also more heat. This helps you understand the relationship between performance, heat, and power consumption. The throttle indicator is the most important warning. It provides a direct yes or no answer to the question if your CPU is slowing down to protect itself. This is the ultimate diagnosis tool. If your game or program is suddenly stuttering, a quick yes here tells you that cooling is your problem, not the software. To use all this data, you have to leave the application running on your screen and open a demanding application like a video game, a video editing software, or even a YouTube video in 4K and watch numbers in the application change in real time. You'll see your core clocks increase, your CPU utilization will also go up, and your temperatures might rise. This live feedback shows you exactly how your CPU responds to stress.